Transferring cryptocurrency from a Coinbase wallet to a Phantom wallet is a straightforward process. To begin, open the Coinbase wallet and click on the search icon at the top of the screen. Then, search for the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Solana, by typing its name in the search bar and selecting it from the search results. This will open a screen displaying the pricing of the selected cryptocurrency. Scroll down and click on the Send button. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer in your local currency and click Next. After that, you will need to enter the wallet address from your Phantom wallet. To do this, open the Phantom wallet. Click on the Receive button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and click on the wallet address at the bottom of the screen to copy it. Return to the Coinbase wallet and paste the wallet address into the designated bar. Verify that the address is correct and ensure it matches the one in your Phantom wallet. Confirm the details, making sure the network is the same in both wallets. Once you have checked these details, click Confirm to complete the transfer. Following these steps will allow you to successfully transfer your cryptocurrency from your Coinbase wallet to your Phantom wallet.